Okay, we've got this shaved down now, so I think we're going to look okay with the upper lip and the teeth here. We want to work on these sides. We want to round these down a little bit in here. So that's what we're going to work on next. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We're going to line this out for right now. See, we're just getting the grooved in here for right now. So we'll get that, and then we'll start to shape this. I'm going to taper the sides down here also, so it's not so lumpy. We want to get more of an angle here. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.